In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to curve text in Photoshop in a clean, controlled way using the built-in warp text feature. This is perfect for logos, badges, headers, or any design where you want your words to follow a gentle arc without manually distorting them. Start by selecting the Type tool, the one represented by the letter T. You can also tap the T key as a shortcut. Click once on your canvas to place a text cursor, then type your text. Keep your phrase concise for the best results. Shorter lines of text tend to curve more evenly. You can always change the font or size later, but for now, just get your wording in place. Next, make sure the text layer is selected in the Layers panel. This is important because the warp you're about to apply only affects the active layer. If you don't see the warp controls in a moment, it usually means a different layer is selected or the Type tool isn't active. With your text layer highlighted, look to the options bar across the top of your screen, find the warp text icon. It looks like a capital T with a curved line underneath, and click it. This opens the warp text dialog where the real magic happens. Set the style to arc. Arc creates a smooth, even curve that's ideal for most curved text needs and avoids the extreme distortions found in some other styles. Now adjust the bend slider to control how much curve you want. Positive values create a smile-shaped arc, negative values create a frown. Start small and nudge the slider until the text follows the curve you imagined. Subtle adjustments often look more professional, especially with longer words or thinner fonts. Choose the orientation that matches your design. Horizontal bends the text along its baseline, giving that classic rainbow-shaped arc. Vertical bends the text along the vertical axis, which can be useful for tall compositions or side badges. If the text starts to look pinched or stretched, try dialing the bend back a bit or choosing a heavier font to keep letter shapes legible. Once you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply the warp. The best part is that this effect remains editable. You can reopen the warp text dialog at any time by clicking the same icon, or simply edit the text content with the Type tool and the curve will update, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.